Hi everyone, this is Labina from the Friendly Neighborhood Show. Happy New Year! Finally, we are moving in to the whole new year, and hopefully 2021, it's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be great, we are all gonna have fantastic lives, we're all gonna get so much things done that we were not able to do in 2020. So with all that said, this is my take on a New Year's Eve makeup look. I'm filming this on the 31st of December at 2 in the morning. This is gonna be a very quick makeup look. I got this inspired. I was inspired. Okay, so I can't even talk. I was browsing through Instagram. I will drop her link below where my inspiration came from, and this is how I interpreted it. I tried to do as close as I could, but again, I am no professional makeup artist. I just did what I could with whatever devices, whatever tools, and whatever makeup I have, and this is what I've created. So if you do like what you see, carry on watching. But before that, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social media platforms. So with all that said, let's stop talking and carry on watching. Okay, so let's just get right into it. I am going to prime my eyes first. The primer that I'm going to be using is the same one that I've used for my Christmas look. I might look really funny right now. Everything might not look even, but it's okay. Let's just get down to the eyes. Because this is a New Year's Eve kind of makeup. I came across this look on Instagram. So I am trying to recreate it to as closely or as best to my abilities because I am no makeup artist. The look consists of your red, a bit of orange, gold, black. These are the four main colors. I'm gonna be using this half of the heart for the red. I will be mixing two reds up. One of it would be from this palette, the red color called a swan. I would be mixing this with other red over here. This palette, it is sourced from China, and this is available on my online store, so you can check it out. The brush I'm using is actually a fluffy headed brush. I think I'm pretty happy with how the two red turned out. For the black part, I'm gonna be using two palettes, half of the Too Faced Black Side, the one by Kid Von D, and Too Faced Game of Thrones. The color for the black, it's called Take the Black. Yeah, can you see? It's sparkly. With a flat-headed brush, I'm going to line my lower eyelash using the same two blacks from the two different palettes. I'm just going to take the two red colors and go underneath the black eyeshadow on my lower eyelash. For my foundation, I'm going to be using shade number 220. Color correcting with Stella One Step Correcture. It is your skin tone correcting and brightening serum. Concealer is also Fenty Beauty in the same shade 220. I'm going to put in this gold shade from House Targaryen. You know, it automatically opens up my eyes. Okay, I'm almost done. So I'm gonna be lining my eye with this. Again, this is a Game of Thrones Urban Decay eye pencil, and it's called Dragon Smoke. So basically it's a glittery black eyeliner. Right, so I'm going to be lining my lip with this lip liner. This is in the color number 4. It doesn't have a name of a color. I do sell this set of 12 lip liner pencil in my online shop. You can check it out. It's affordable and it comes in a set of 12. The two colors that I'll be using. This is by Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection. And it's not focusing, but the color it's White Walker. I've used it before. And a MAC bullet lipstick, and this is, holy shit, it's called P for Potent. It's a Powder Kiss lipstick. So the collection for Powder Kiss, what I was told is it helps to blend your or make your lines on your lips disappear or appear less, or you know, seamless, flawless, that kind of a finish. It's a bit powdery. So these are the two colors I'll be using. I'm just gonna put on a pair of earring and I'm pretty much done. This is the final look. If you do like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media platforms. Thank you so much. I wish everyone an awesome new year, and I hope, pray that every one of us will have a much better, more fulfilling, and prosperous 2021. This has been wonderful sharing with you guys my take on a look that I found on Instagram, which I will drop the link in the description below. So check it out. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.